Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about how to sort the records present in a table using a order by keyword in SQL. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what I did was I have inserted a couple of rows here. So first of all, I would like to show the contents present in my table. So these are all the newly entered records. So now what I want is I want to sort it out all the I want to sort it out all the records based on the column 1 value, because if you see that, first of all, the row column 1 value is 23 and then 10 and then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and it again 11 and 2, 3 and then it again 17. So it is a very it is not in a particular order. So what I want is I want to put every record based on some particular order, which means in order to look lucrative, and also we can able to easily you can also easily able to see the range of particular record particular column 1 values. Now how to do that means we have a new keyword known as order by here. So how to do that means, so normally select star from sample underscore table here in order to retrieve all the commands. Now what we have is we have a order by command. So what I am doing is order by, so on which column you want to sort it out. So here I want to sort it out based on column 1 here. So on the column 1, so let us see how it works. Order by column 1. So if I run it, so it is saying that it is presenting in the ascending order, like 1, 2, 3 are in the top, and from 10 onwards 23 it is on the ascending order from top to bottom. Now what happens is by default if you do not specify anything like ascending or descending, it will take it as a ascending order. Suppose if you want to print the records based on the descending order of that particular column, then you can also specify the DESC here. So if you specify DESC, then it will print all the records based on the descending order of the column 1 value. So I am running it. So if you observe that previously we have 1 in the first record, now 23 is in the first record and 23 is in the last record in the previous output, and now 1 is in the last output, and moreover from 23 to 1 it is on the from top to bottom it is in the decreasing order. So now this is how you can order by in the ascending order as well as descending order based on your based on your columns. So here you can also specify order by 2 columns here. So suppose what I want is order by column 1 and col 2, not a call 2. I want to order by column 1 comma column 3, because both are integers, right? So I want to know how it will get executed. Now I am running it. So if you observe this, descending it, I am running it again. Yeah, here if you specify if you specify 2 or more columns, then you need not to specify anything, because by default it will print in the ascending order itself. Now if you observe this column 1 and column 3, it will both the column 1 and column 3 are in the ascending order now itself. So what happens is, if you want to specify descending order, you can specify it like DESC and then DESC. Let us see what is the output of it. So if you specify like this, here what happens is column 1 is sorting out based in the descending order, as well as column 3 is sorting out in the descending order. So previously what we did was we did not mention the descending order here. That means by default it is taking a ascending order. That means column 1 is presenting in the ascending order, as well as column 3 is also presenting in ascending order. So if you observe this is the previous output, right? So I am running it again. So what we have is column 1 as 1 and column 3 as 6, that is the descending order, and column 2 as 2, column 2 3 value as 6, and column 3 as 3 and 6, then 10, 24. So it will based on the it will sort it out based on the column 1 and column 3. Yeah, this is all about order by, and this is how you can sort it out based on a one column or two columns or multiple columns. For a suppose if you want to sort it out the given all records, then you can use the like order by command using a one column. What is the main suppose if every table it contains a one primary key or something like that, one unique key, then if you specify the on but if you specify order by on that particular column, then obviously all the records present in your table will be in the sorted order. So this is how you can make a sorting in SQL tables on using a order by. So this is all for this video about the order by command, order by keyword here. Now that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.